Welcome back to another video. Today we Number 1. Relieve constipation. Apples are believed to help with stomachaches and are eaten to relieve constipation. Apple cider vinegar is used to help treat heartburn. Number 2. Heart health. 2 apples a day may help keep heart disease at bay. Researchers found that for every 10 grams of fiber added to the diet, there is a 14% reduction in heart disease. A medium apple contains 5 grams of fiber. Number 3. Cancer. In one human cell study, apples appeared to protect cells by halting signals that cause the cancerous cells to form. In another study, of human colon cancer cells, flavonoids, associated with apples, inhibited the growth and spread of the cancerous cells. Number 4. Weight loss. A study conducted by researchers from the State University of Rio de Janeiro found that overweight women who added 3 apples a day to their low-fat diet lost more weight than those women who did not add in apples. Number 5. Brain health. A 2000 found that eating apple products may help protect against cellular damage attributed to memory loss. Number 6. Diabetes. Diabetics who consumed apples had smaller spikes in glucose after eating, perhaps due to their soluble fiber content. Tips on using apples selection and storage. Choose apples with firm, undented, shiny skin. Keep apples in the refrigerator after purchasing because apples ripen 6 to 8 times faster at room temperature. Thanks for watching. For prompt update and more videos on health and wellness, like and subscribe to my channel.